In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Vertex AI API in Google Cloud. This process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and follow along with me. We'll make sure you have everything set up to leverage the incredible machine learning capabilities of Vertex AI. First things first, navigate to the Google Cloud Console. You can do this by typing Google Cloud Console into your preferred search engine or heading directly to the website. Once there, you'll need to select or create a project. If you already have a project, you can simply click on it. Otherwise, if you don't have one yet, don't worry. It's super easy to create a new one. To create a new project, look for the New Project button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to name your project. Choose a meaningful name that reflects what you plan to do with this project. When you've entered a name, click Create, and in just a moment, your new project will be ready for you to work with. Now, it's time to select the project you've just created. You should see an option to Select Project. Click on this to ensure you're working within the correct environment. With your project open, it's now time to navigate through the options available. Look to the navigation menu on the side of your screen. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. From this list, you'll want to select APIs and Services. This is where you'll actually find and enable the Vertex AI API. Once you're in the APIs and Services section, navigate to Library. This is essentially the catalog of all the APIs you can explore. Use the search bar here to find the Vertex AI API. Simply type Vertex AI API and hit Search. When the search results appear, you'll see the Vertex AI API listed there. Click on it to open more details about this API. You'll see an Enable button somewhere on the page. Go ahead and click it to turn on the Vertex AI API for your project. Finally, it's essential to ensure that billing is enabled for your Google Cloud project. Vertex AI might incur costs based on your usage, so you want to ensure there won't be any interruptions to your service. Double-check your billing settings in the console to prevent any issues down the line. And there you have it. A simple, efficient way to enable the Vertex AI API on Google Cloud. With this setup, you are ready to explore the powerful machine learning services Google Cloud has to offer. Thanks for following along, and happy computing!